Counting rhythms number 1. Last time we took a look at lines A, B, and C, where we counted quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. If you remember, quarter notes divide the measure into quarter notes, 4 beats each. Now we're going to talk about subdividing, going a level further down. Now we're going to divide our measures into eighths. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and let's count line D together. And 2 and 3 and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You probably noticed that they don't all look the same, but they all are eighth notes. You can beam 2 eighth notes together. You can beam 4 eighth notes together, but they usually don't beam across 2 and to count 3. Then they can be flagged individually like this. But if you take those flags and tie them together right there, you get the beamed look. Much more easy to remember that this is 1 beat. This is 2 beat, another beat by itself. Okay, so that's counting eighth notes, subdividing the quarter notes into 2 equal parts. Okay, quarter notes were 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. Now we have 2 sounds per quarter note, or we have eighth notes. And in line E, we're dealing with combining different notes. You still have to have 4 beats before the measure ends. We have a bar line again. Okay. Here we have a half note goes through count 2. Our next note will attack or land on count 3. So we don't have to say count 2 because it gets played over by a half note on count 1. Line E, 2, ready, begin. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 3, 4. Whole note, 2, 3, 4. Off. So again, we deal with when do we attack the note or play the note, and when do we release the note. So here we play the note on 1 and we release the note after count 4. Line F, remember, only say and play the counts that the notes land on. That's your attack, but you still feel all beats inside. Line F, ready? 2, 3, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. All right. So half notes landing on count 2 play through count 3, and the next note attacks on count 4. Lines G and then line H. Practice your counting. Remember, only say the counts that have notes that land on them. This one lands in between the beat or on one of the inner beats, the and. Here we go. Line G. 2 and 3 and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and line H. Hear that metronome keeping the beat for us? Ready, begin. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Off. Right? That is Counting Rhythms, page number 1.